Hi you guys, welcome to Polished by Tesia. So today I am going to be working with the color 613 and 27, and I'm going to mix these two together, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that in this clip right now. So of course I like Bobby Boss hair. Every time you see me braid is with Bobby Boss braid, unless I get the hair from Amazon, and that is not my favorite. It's just something I work with because I like the colors. But this is how it is when you take it out the braid, and then I'm just gonna pre-stretch it together so I won't be doing all that good, like the mess or whatever. So I'm just gonna tease the hair just like so. Sound like my client is out there jamming. I really should have did this last night, but I'm really tired. And then after you tease it out a little, you're gonna take a brush like so. I really like wet brushes. They are really good to detangle because they got these little small little beads, but this is like my favorite brush when you're trying to detangle. It's always easier to work your way up to the top, not just go like that, because that'll do too much. But the hair is really good to detangle too. So I'm just gonna keep on teasing it out. I shouldn't have never did it all together because I feel like it's too much. I'm gonna break past the other side because it's way too even. You don't want even braids because it's not gonna be a little straight when you braid it, and then sometimes it just unravels because it's too straight. At the end, you want to seal it with the braid coming to an end instead of just having it unravel. So I'm gonna keep that here. Okay, so how many packs I originally, let me show you the original hair, what it comes in. This is how the hair comes in these little packets here. So I end up I believe this is seven packs. So what I did was do 3 of the 613 and then 4 of the 27. I probably need 2 more packs of each, but that's fine. I want to have less 613 as possible, so it'll look like the 27 is dominant more than the 613. So pretty much I want the 27 to show more than the 613, if that makes sense. So what I'm just doing is just taking apart, putting it together, taking apart, put it together until I like the combination and when I feel like it's mixed to my liking. That's pretty much all that I'm doing. See. And please use your knee, because nobody wants to look over it and see your foot separating the hair. That is so unprofessional. The knee is way better than doing your foot. I know when I first started off, I was doing my foot and I'm like, this looks crazy. If I see somebody separating the hair with their feet, would I want that in my head? No. So please use your knee. Go client when I'm done sorting the hair. Cut. I feel like maybe not. And when you sort the hair, like you're gonna have a whole bunch of hair balls down here with this hair, and it gets really messy. Really hard. Not sure if I want, like, I really want the 613 to show. I don't want it to be yeah, but that's pretty much all I'm doing. So I'm gonna just show you guys how I'm gonna continue putting the hair on the rack. So I kind of what I'm striving. This is what it is. Usually I do like 8 packs, so I might just add one 27 color, since y'all always want to know how many packs.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I knew.
Me